Ciao, welcome to Ciao Bella Pizzaria. We are a very contemporary pizzeria. I've been working in my restaurant business and in baking for my whole life, and I've been researching new technique of doing things. So what we do is we use the old-fashioned way of cooking, which is with wood fire. We do have a wood fire oven, which burns about 800 degrees. And then we have some Italian flour. We use cinque stagioni, fresh yeast, and just sea salt. So what we've been doing, we've been using Heinz Honey for one of our signature pizza, which is Angry Bee. We have our 80% naturally fermented dough, topped with tomato, Parmesan cheese, basil, mozzarella, olive oil. Then we add some spicy salami imported from Italy, which is called soppressata. Then we add some Calabrian chili paste, which is also imported from Italy. We finish it with the Heinz Honey, so it's kind of like sweet and spicy at the same time. I started this concept in the middle of the pandemic. My corporate office called me and they're like, hey, look, you gotta take a break because you can't travel. Me and my wife just purchased a house and she was pregnant. I decided to do something on my own, and that's when I started Ciao Bella. Since then, we've been on a crazy ride. First of all, paying bills. It's allowed me to spend some more time at home, not traveling so much. So most important, my wife is very happy about it. My goal as right now is actually since I'm a big fan for cycling, and I've been collecting bicycles for the past 20 years. My goal is actually to open what I would like to call is in the future JoJo Pizza and Bicycle Bar.